Hello friends, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce and Management Guru. This is Ashok Kumar Sahu. Today we will discuss a very important subject, that is management financial institution, and this subject is meant for every kind of student like BCom student, MCom, MBA, BBA, and those who are preparing for UGC NET exam or for JRF exam or for PGT exam or for any kind of KVS and NVS exam. So this video is meant for them. So let's start. Question number 1. Underwriting of shares by a financial intermediary is a kind of dash activity. Here the options are A. Fee based, option B. Fund based, option C. Both A and B, option D. None of these. So here the answer will be option B, that is fund based. Next, question number 2. All financial intermediary or institutions in the intermediation market, the options are buy primary securities and sell secondary securities. Option B, borrow short and lend long. Option C, borrow in small denomination and lend in large. Option D, buy from brokers and dealers and sell to the public. So here the correct answer will be option A, that is buy primary securities and sell secondary securities. Next questions. Question number 3. What were the steps taken by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, to correct the problem of inflation in this case? So here the options are option A, increasing repo rates, option B, increasing the cash reserve ratio, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. So here the correct answer will be option C, that is both A and B. It is both repo rate as well as CRR is essential for correct the problem of the inflation. So here generally the major role of controlling the inflation is RBI, that is our central bank, Reserve Bank of India. So here question number 4. Which indices are used to measure the inflation? So here options are WPI, that is wholesale price index, option B both A and D, option C only A, option D CPI, that is consumer price index. So here the correct option will be option B, that is both A and D. Both CPI as well as WPI is generally used to measure the inflation. Next questions. Number 5. The major responsibility of Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, is dash. So as we know that our central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, is an FX institutions or organization to control the entire monetary market or monetary transaction. That's why here the correct option will be monetary regulation, that is option C. Next, as a tool of monetary policy in India, margin requirements are not used, open market operations are never used, CRR is more often used than SLR practices, or option D, none of these. So here the answer, the correct option will be option B, that is open market operations are never used. Next question, number 7. Financial institutions are also known as what? So here the options are financial organization, financial intermediaries, financial system, all A, B and C. So here the correct option will be option B, that is financial intermediaries. Next question, which of the following combination is correct? So here there are different kind of combinations like NABARD, industrial loan, RBI, long-term finance, RRB, agriculture finance, IDBI, short-term loans. So which pair of combination is correct? So the first, if we see the first option, that is NABARD. So generally NABARD providing loan to agriculture and rural development sector. So here the industrial loan will not be correct. Next, RBI generally providing short-term finance, not for long-term finance. So here the option B will also be correct. Next, option D, that is IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. So here IDBI generally providing long-term finance, not for short-term finance or short-term loans. So here the option D will also be incorrect. So here the correct option will be what? The left part, that is RRB. So RRB, that is regional rural banks generally providing agriculture finance. So here the correct answer will be option C, that is RRB agriculture finance. So now we will move to the next question, number 9. So here financial intermediaries include what? So here the options are stockbrokers, pool investment funds, option C both A and B, option D only A or B. So here the correct answer will be option C, that is both A and B. Next question, which of the following is not the advantages of financial intermediaries? So here the options are higher liquidity, cost efficient, accessibility, none of these. So the above A, B and C are the advantages. So the question asking about not the advantages. So here the left part, that is option D, none of these. So here the answer will be option D, that is none of these. Thank you so much guys for your warm listening. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.